If you fly the DJI Mavic 3 series drones, I'm sure you have one of these. I don't know what you call it, but I've called mine some choice words since I've had the drone. I finally figured out a way to put this on extremely easily. Works every time, at least has for me. Hopefully it will for you too. The way I install it is pick up your drone, fold the two rear legs up in, make sure the propellers are centered in the back. Grab your lens protector here by the bottom with the two slots. Put the two slots over top of the landing feet in the back. Make sure your camera's nice and straight. Grab the other end of the tab and just bring it straight up over the front. Hook it on the back, bring your front leg in, tuck in the propeller, bring your other front leg in, tuck in the other propeller, put it in your case, and go off to your next shoot. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this helps you all out, and we'll catch you on the next one.